let's just shoot an object.
Tupac would be tapping ass if you
Hey,
ate
John, scream and shout.
I'm getting dead serious about this now.
You're a sexy bitch.
I got a cramp.
Help, I've fallen and I can't get up.
Life work.
It's the white one.
You know, these are actually the wrong. I should have different bullets for my guns, because you're not supposed to shoot 20 grams out of the pistol. It won't break it, but it's... The 20 grams are heavier.
I want the heavier ones though.
I'm going potty.
How much was this again?
That gun,
Yeah.
it was $46
Man,
and like 56 something cents.
I'm thinking about buying one. Isn't it a pain buying all the pellets all the time?
I don't buy them that often. Literally, I got these 2 years ago.
What?
These.
Who lasted you that long?
I want to see what would happen if this got shot.
Oh,
That would happen to my eye.
oh,
Nothing.
nothing went through it.
Let me see.
It shot me in the eye.
Let me see this gun. Is this loaded?
No, don't shoot these, man. We need these.
I want to. I have more. I have like 800 pairs.
You do?
Yes. This would happen.
Nope, didn't go through. Didn't go through. Hold up. No. Stop. Look it that way. Reload it. Cock it. Alright.
Nothing. One more time.
That's it. There. Now it went through. Through.
Alright, because I misloaded.
Bank denied my loan for a cash. I'll stop giving you that sweet piece of cock.
You just said cock.
No. Why would I say that?
Are you gay?
Yeah, it's not a spring out of these things. I don't like sitting out here.
You do or don't?
I don't. My daddy's it'd be funner.
It was. Alright, well, sort of, but there's hella cars out there.
Oh, you want to go right around? Let's go right around.
Then you're gonna have a bike.
Huh?
I would have a bike, and my sister would never like bike it.
And then ride the scooter.
The scooter's broken.
It
really is.
Go on, David. Hold on, don't move it. Come on, let's get.
See when Block kicked me.
We're going to go out in the front yard and see what's wrong with the scooter.
Look, it's still recording.